Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? Hope so you all are fine. Today in this lecture I am going to start an objective type exercise of chapter number 2. To attempt this exercise you have to revise all the topics of chapter number 2. So let's start the exercise. Question number 1, fill in the blanks. A number is divisible by dash if it has 5 at the unit place. You have to check the divisibility rule. Number 2, all even numbers are divisible by dash. Again the divisibility rule. Number 3, composite numbers have more than dash factors. 1 factor, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to write the number of the factors. Number 4, each prime number has exactly dash factors. Again you will mention the number of the factors. How many factors will be over here? Number 5, dash is the factor of all the numbers. There is one number which is the factor of all the numbers. You have to put the number over here. Prime factors can never be a dash number. Very easy. Number 7, the common factor of 2 and 3 is, you have to find one factor which is common in both in 2 and 3. So first you will find the factor of 2, factor of 3, then you will choose the common factor. Number 8, the fourth multiple of 15 is, means you will find the 4 multiples of 15 ones are, 15 twos are, 15 threes are and 15 fours are. Dash is the HCF of 10 and 12. You have to find the HCF of 10 and 12. You will do some working in the rough work, then you will fill this blank and you can find the HCF by any method. Number 10, the prime factors of 10 are dash and dash. The prime factors of 10 are dash and dash, means you will find the factors of 10. Those factors should be the prime factors. Number 11, factors of 6 are, again you will check the factors by which 6 is divisible. Every prime number except dash is odd. Again you will put a number over here which is every number except dash, means this number is an odd. Next is 60 is a dash number, prime number or composite number. If sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then the number itself is divisible by dash. Again divisibility rule. 15 number, if a number has 0 at the unit place, it is divisible by dash, dash and dash. Mean you have to check the 3 more divisibility rules in which this condition is applicable. Question number 2, state whether the following are true or false. Number 1, any number which is divisible by 10 is divisible by 5. Again check the divisibility rule of 5 and 10. Number 2, 10 is a prime number. If yes, then correct. If not, then cross it. Number 3, 7 is a factor of 45. Whether 7 is completely divisible, 45 is completely divisible by 7 or not. A number is always a factor of itself. Very easy. A factor tree is used to find the prime factor. What is the purpose of the factor tree methods? You have to write, you have to check whether this condition is true or false. Prime factors of number are prime numbers. Mean when you will find the prime factors of the number, then those numbers are the prime numbers. 4 and 6 have no common factor. Mean first you will find the factors of 4, factors of 6, then you will check is there any common factor or no. If no, then this correct. If yes, then it's incorrect. Multiples of a number are finite. Means multiples of numbers are countable. Yes or no? Number 9, 2 is only prime factor of number 6. Yes or no? The prime factor of the number divides the number completely. Again you have to revise the prime factor topic. Number 11, 6 and 8 have an equal number of factors. Means you will find the factors of 6, then factor of 8, and then you will count whether their number of factors are equal or not. 45 is a composite number. You have to check the definition of the composite numbers. 1, 3 and 13 are the factors of 13. Check the factors of 13, divide the 13 by these numbers and check this condition. Number 14, 18 is a prime number because it has 2 factors only. Again check the condition of the prime numbers and check the factors. And the last one is 160 is divisible by 2. Check the divisibility rule of 2, whether this 160 is divisible or not. So this was all about the objective exercise of chapter number 2. Inshallah, in the next lecture we will start the new chapter. So till that you have to complete your all previous assigned tasks according to the given lectures and videos. Thank you.